Hi, Travis here again from Linux. One of the things we've been discussing with our customers are the various ways we can use our SOLIDWORKS products, specifically online licensing. In this video, we will be discussing what is online licensing, who can use this functionality, why would we want to use online licensing, and finally, how can I set up my admin portal? What is online licensing? SOLIDWORKS licensing is first broken up into two main groups: network licensing, or SNL, and standalone. SNL users, thanks for watching, but it's time to get back to work. Online licensing is only available for standalone activation. Standalone licensing uses two methods to activate. The first is the traditional machine activation, one machine used by one or more users. The second is online licensing, which is tied to a specific user able to use SOLIDWORKS on multiple machines. You may be asking yourself, why would we want to use online licensing? Well, let me ask you, have you ever received the activation count exceeded message when starting SOLIDWORKS? Are you fed up with the transfer activate process when switching from one system to another? If the answer is no, thank you for watching. You should also get back to work. For everyone else, online licensing may be the solution that works for you. Before we start talking about setup, here are some quick requirements for online licensing. First, online licensing is only available in SOLIDWORKS versions 2018 and newer. Second, we need to create a SOLIDWORKS ID. All users that plan to take advantage of online licensing must have a SOLIDWORKS ID. If you have not already created one, please reference the links below for additional information on taking care of this step. Third, all existing activations must be transferred from those systems. For additional information and FAQ, please check out our references below. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do we set up and administer our online licensing? Access my.solidworks.com, log in with your customer ID, click the drop-down next to your name, and select the admin portal. Important technical note: the first person that logs into the admin portal under your company assets will be given the opportunity to declare themselves as the admin. With the admin setup complete, let's take a look at how this affects our daily workflow when launching SOLIDWORKS. When launching SOLIDWORKS, the admin portal will reflect in real time serial numbers that are currently being used. Once you have successfully set up online licensing, give it a try. Simply close SOLIDWORKS and repeat the login process on another computer with SOLIDWORKS installed. Online licensing is optional. You do not have to use it if you're happy with your current licensing arrangements. It's also not permanent. You can toggle from online to machine activation at your leisure. Thank you for watching our video. Please reference the links below for additional information. If you need further assistance or have any additional questions, please reach out to your local reseller for support.